Hi friends, this is Miss Yao
And Miss Sutherland.
/ Baird. We are going to tackle the homework for week of December 11th, and which is due on December 15th. And so if you will go ahead and cut out your protractor, we are going to be doing problem number 2, which involves you using this protractor to figure out the angles of this here triangle. All right, let's get started.
All right, so now you have cut out your protractor and you make sure you have your pencil. Let's start with angle A. So before I begin, let's go from angle A and let's extend the angle a little bit longer so that we can use our protractor. Now you have to be very careful here. You need to go where the 0 degrees is, which is right smack dab in the middle. Put a little dot there. That needs to be where you line up the end point. There's this line here that needs to line up straight on your angle. Make sure your protractor's straight. Can't measure it that way. Make sure it's straight. Okay. Now that it's pretty straight, you're going to see where you just drew your line through. Now, we're going to estimate. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it looks to be right in the middle. It's in between these numbers. Now, that's a lot of numbers to choose from, so let's think. Well, angle A is smaller than 90. That means it's acute. So if we look back at our protractor, it's got to be one of the smaller numbers, So it's between 40 and 45. Therefore, it should be, I said it wrong, between 40 and 50, so it's 45 degrees. All right, now on to angle B. I erased my markings on my protractor, and this time I'm actually going to flip my page around so that I can see angle B a little bit better. So I'm going to put my dot at angle B, and let's continue it. It looks like we're here. I can still use that angle right there. So let's line it up. Ooh, that looks like something we've learned already. Let's take a look. So I'm going to line it up as straight as I can. There's my 0 degrees. Here's my 180. Ooh, let's take a look at that. That is smack dab on 90 degrees. Therefore, that must mean it is perpendicular. But let's go ahead and label B 90 degrees. Here we go. Last angle is angle C, so I'm going to turn my paper again. Angle C, let's continue that straight through. Alrighty, let's put our 0 degrees on point C, and let's try to line up this line right here as close as we can onto our angle, into our line. Alright, let's see where this line goes through. About right here. Now let's think about what kind of angle we have again, because our options are 40 or 140, which are two different things. So this angle is definitely small and cute, so it is acute. So the answer would be the smaller number, which would be 40 degrees. So answer for C is 40 degrees.
Last but not least, don't forget to circle the right angle. Oh my gosh. Or make a close approximation to a circle. All right, let's take a look at number 6 on Thursday's homework. It says find the measurement of angle A given the provided angles. All right, so we do have a few angles given to us, and we also know that the sum of 3 angles in a triangle would be 180. So all 3 would have to add up to equal 180 degrees. Okay, so we are given 41. And we are also given a clue right here in the form of this. And we know that this is actually a right angle. And if you remember from class, a right angle measures 90 degrees. So our clue was actually very important. And then we also have angle A, which we are trying to solve for. All right, so let's add up the angles that we are given. So we have 41 plus 90. Okay, if I stack and solve it. All right, in the ones place I have 1, in the tens place I have 13. So I have 131 degrees plus Angle, I don't know, equals 180. And now to figure it out, I'm just figuring out a missing side. I know the total, so just like we did in 3rd grade when you had missing numbers, all I have to do is subtract. 180, I need to do it lower here, minus 131. I can't do 0, take away 1, so I'm going to borrow from here. 8 becomes 7, and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 7 minus 3 is 4. 1 take away 1 is nothing. So now I'm left with angle A as 49 degrees. And I could actually just add up 49 plus 41 plus 90 to just double check and make sure that it is 180 degrees. So I'm going to do it over here in my double check section. 49, 41, 90. Oh God, I have no room to write my answer. That's okay. 9 plus 1 is 10. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 9 is 17, plus 1 is 18. So I was right. Go me. Go us. Go 4th grade.
Go Yao. All right, it's that time again. It's riddle time, except Miss Yao forgot to put a little thing at the bottom for riddle. So we're going to write it at the top. Let me go ahead and give you the riddle. How do you know if Santa is really a werewolf? Well, guess what, guys? The answer is because he has Santa Claus. Ha ha. Like
wordplay.
Claus.
Okay, write it, Ms. Bear, so they know.
I need to figure out how to write it. Let's do pen.
It is already on pen.
It's been a while, everyone. Welcome back. So we're going to write Santa Claus.
Wordplay.
Ha 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 ha. Wait, one more thing. You need to write who your favorite math teacher is and you'll get a special prize.
Yeah.